Hello, Chef here. I've got another educational video for you. So this is a summer kiss melon, and it comes in this really cool mesh packaging. I thought I'd share that with you. Selecting the right knife, I've got an 8-inch slicer here. It's a nice size and nice shape. Before I work on any melon, I want to wash it and dry it off. Be right back. Okay, it's been washed and clean. Always a good idea with all the viruses and germs going around. You don't know who's touching this, how many people touched it, as well as the pickers, the workers, and in the grocery store, distribution. Who's touching these things? Wash it off. Wow, this one's very ripe. It's soft on both ends. So I'm going to show you real quickly what's inside, and then we're going to maybe carve it up a little bit too. The first thing I like to do is cut my melon in half, but not with a knife. Quite often I like to grab one of these Chinese carving tools. You can get these at the sponsor, but this is just a really cool pattern, and it's going to accent the beauty of the melon, and it's also fast and easy. You can teach your kids to do this. Carving melons, especially for centerpiece or for the holidays. Really, really cool stuff. Wow, look at that beauty. Love the color. Ooh, smells so nice and fragrant. Yeah. Okay, we removed the seeds with a large spoon. I will be saving some of these seeds just in case I decide to grow this melon at a future date. But remember, if you grow melons, it takes a lot of space. You will need a very large garden and a lot of space to grow any melons successfully. But it might be worth trying. So this is the color of the flesh on the inside. Now we got this beautiful half of a melon. We can use one of the pieces and a melon baller and put a few scoops in there. Fill it up real quick. Now we add a couple of blueberries. Oh yeah, looking really good. Drop a comment, like, share, subscribe, support the sponsor. Most of all, get cooking and have a beautiful day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. Hopefully, with proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. So, as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's going to be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. In my kitchens, I have several. This one here is going on, oh, I think this end grain rock maple is over 20 years old now. It's been cut on 1,000,000 times. The knife does not hurt it. It's the hardest surface you want for your knife contact, like this. Cutting, chopping, slicing, dicing will not hurt the knife blade, will not hurt the block. Check your sponsor there. They're having a free shipping sale. Exceptional. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes, with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5 inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. You're gonna like it. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale, and I know there's free shipping as well. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks.